Edo State Police Command don Gbab secretary to Benin Traditional Council, others, as court later remand them for prison. Justice Mary Swelly of Edo State High Court make Frank Irabo be secretary of Benin Traditional Council and 6 other people go there for Oko maximum prison sake of the illegal demolition of over 80 houses for Olegun community, Ikpobaoka local government area of Edo State. Justice Mary Swelly talk say them go remain for prison till them get receipts of legal advice from the Director of Public Prosecution. You could remember say on Monday, Olegun community carry waka go government house sake of the demolition of over 80 houses for their community and the arrest of the Enogi and Ohen of the community by group of chiefs and Frank Irabo.
Please, I'm begging the government should come to my aid. The beg to come to my aid. I could not tell my son what happened now. I don't even know how to tell him. Because we've already finished building the house. We're about to pass in. I don't even know what to do. It's only God that helped me that they nearly collapsed. How can the house is finished? It's already finished.
The land we are talking about, the one who was illegally arrested with the Enogi of Lebu, does not even know the site as we speak. It was one Tonsi from the palace that called him that the Oba of Benin want to see him. That is why he go to the palace on Thursday. We were with him. We thought maybe because we have some certain thing doing in the palace that they have called us for that issue. Unknowingly to us that they have formed allegation against him. So as we speak now, he's in the custody, police station. This man does not even know where they are talking about. Last year, they murdered his first son, Chiti Gostem Uworuya. The Enoge, the 4 persons were being murdered in his whole community. You could not cry to the palace to say, "This is what has happened to me in my community." And this is the person who has been lying in the community. I'm so surprised that the Oba of Benin still take his word.
That Enoge of Olegun, the Bona come meet this case. 1974, 19 case start. They never born Enoge. The Bona come meet this case. This case ever since, my father-in-law, Georgia, he winner. My husband, Georgia, he winner. This Enoge, this my pikin, he winner too. But never a time when we hear say they got land for another person for that place. Now Legun community, now be that one. That day when they come destroy every house for there, they come with a AKM from palace. I don't know who sent them. They come from palace. They begin to destroy house. Who send una? The secretary of Urban no. House where person they stay, they don't destroy. Person wait they inside house now. Before you come for work, not come see house again. The house too many where they destroy.
You go constantly remember say Benin Traditional Council on Wednesday called chook mouth for the land matter between Ukiri community and Olegun community. The council can talk say land grabbing matter for Edo State don't too much and can't describe them as domestic terrorism.
In Ukiri village, the case of land grabbing was taken to unprecedented heights. The community leader, the Enogi of Olegun, physically attacked the neighboring community of Ukiri and annexed their lands. The Enogi of Olegun and his community youths then proceeded to sell off land of other people and corporate bodies located in Ukiri, including land that is known to belong to the palace. Just like in many other land grabbing cases, both buyers and sellers were fully aware of the illegality of their action. The palace is inundated with cases of land grabbing by victims who come to the palace to seek redress. In many cases, people's farmlands are invaded and sold off to willing accomplices.
Omo Aluke Ajakaye, TMC TV News.